Make a great choice today with the 2024 Audi SQ5. The Audi SQ5 does things you'd never expect from an SUV. This SQ5 has impressive acceleration and comes with a top-notch interior and sporty handling. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, all-wheel drive, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.